What's up everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So Easter is this Sunday and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan sweet and sour Easter cupcakes. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of self-rising flour, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of vegan yogurt, half a cup of vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of vegan chocolate milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and for the topping, you'll need some Sour Patch Kids Bunnies and some green icing. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. All right, and here we have our vegan Easter sweet and sour cupcakes. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.